Hello everyone, this is Balaji Tripathi. Now in this lab session I am going to discuss about fiber optics lab. So in the previous session we have seen that we are giving the analog input signal and we are getting it as an output. So now in this session we will see that we are giving the digital signal as an input and via detector we are getting those digital signal as an output which has been converted into the light signal which we cannot see via our naked eyes. So see, this is our kit which we are having. So this is actually the fiber optic digital link kit, and we are here to study the relationship between the input signal and the received signal. So the equipments which are required for this experiment is the Scientech 2501 textbook with power supply code. So this is our power supply code, and one optical fiber cable is we needed. So lots of optical fiber cable we have already used, and one digital oscilloscope we wanted to show the waveform which we will get after giving the input signal. So see, the procedure is first we will connect all those kit with the power supply. We will give power supply to this kit, and we will give the power supply to this oscilloscope now, and we will ensure that all switches must be off. So for your understanding purpose, I'll first off it, then I'll on it. So let's add on it. So I'll connect the function generator 1 kilowatt square wave to the emitter input. So see, this is the square wave. I am connecting this function I am taking it as an input, 1 kilowatt square wave as an input, and I am giving this input to the emitter circuit. So after that I will connect the fiber optics cable between emitter and detector input. So this is our emitter LED and detector input. So I am giving one power to the emitter LED and next to the power photo detector. So after that I will connect the detector output to the comparator input. So this is our detector output, and I have, as you can see here, written comparator circuit. So the output of this I am giving to the comparator circuit. After that we will see on the board the switch 1 of emitter circuit will be in digital mode. So this is the switch mode. So for analog signal you need to do up, and for digital you need to put in the downward direction. And after that we'll switch on this power supply. We had already done that. So this is our lab book manual. So we are following those steps from this only, and this is the waveform which we will get. As you can see in the manual, these are the waveform which we will get after checking in the DSO. So see, let's start. So what we can assume that whatever input we are giving, that input we will detect via output detector as an output. Same input we will get as an output. So let's see how. Now I will show you how the input is varying. So see, first we will check the input. So when we are giving 1 kilowatt square wave, see the input here. This input we are getting here. So after that I needed to check the emitter circuit input. So I'll check the emitter circuit input here. So you'll see, you can see the same waveform there, no variation. So after that we'll see at the emitter LED what are the inputs we are giving at the LED. So you can see these signals are converted into the light signal with the help of emitter LED. But as you can see in the digital oscilloscope, same signal, whatever input we are giving, that input we are getting as an output. Now see, we will check the output. What are the output which we are getting? So for output purpose we'll vary the channel. So see, it has been converted into the output. So the waveform has been same, but it is slightly varied between -1 to 1, but the same input what we are giving, that we are getting as an output. So as you can see, the same output we are getting. So this is all about you can check it from here also. So if you can see the same output which we are getting. So this input we have got. So this fiber optics cable link is in this fiber optics we are studying the relationship between the in this fiber optics we are getting the relationship between the input signal and received signal. So whatever the input signal we are giving in this fiber optics cable, that input signal has been converted through emitter LED, and that input signal we are getting as an output. So this is all about, we have seen fiber optic digital link and fiber optics analog link. So this is all about, and theoretical part I had already covered. So I can show you only so thank you for today.